Imagine standing in the middle of a parched desert, hundreds of miles from the nearest river or well. You're thirsty, but there's no water in sight. Is there? What if I told you that the very air you breathe holds the secret to infinite hydration? Today, on Struct Origins, we're going inside the factory that's turning air into pure, drinkable water. This is the atmospheric water generator. It all starts with a massive intake of breath. These high-speed industrial turbines draw in thousands of cubic feet of ambient air every minute. But the air around us is filled with dust, pollen, and pollutants. That's why the first step is critical. The air is forced through medical-grade HEPA and activated carbon filters, stripping away every microscopic impurity. What's left is nothing but pure, clean air molecules, ready for the transformation. Now, we enter the heart of the machine. These neon blue copper coiled are chilled to extreme temperatures using advanced eco-friendly refrigerants. This is where science mimics nature. As the warm air hits these freezing coils, it reaches its dew point. Look closely, tiny beads of moisture begin to form out of thin air. It's the same process that creates morning dew on a leaf, but here, it's accelerated by high-end engineering. Gravity takes over as thousands of these droplets merge and cascade down into a surgical-grade stainless steel collection tray. It's literally raining inside the machine. But this raw water isn't ready just yet. It flows into a primary holding tank where it undergoes its first stage of liquid purification. We aren't just making water, we are making the safest water on the planet. Pure distilled water can be tasteless and lacks the essential minerals our bodies need. So, we pass it through a specialized mineralization chamber. Here, the water is infused with calcium, magnesium, and potassium, giving it that crisp, refreshing mountain spring taste. Next, it passes through a high-intensity UVC sterilization chamber. This ultraviolet light shatters the DNA of any remaining bacteria or viruses, ensuring 100% biological purity. Before the water reaches the tap, it goes through one last, polishing, stage. A final carbon block removes any lingering odors or tastes, leaving the water crystal clear and sparkling. It is then stored in an insulated, food-grade titanium tank, where sensors constantly monitor its temperature and quality. Every drop is tracked by a digital brain, ensuring that when you press that button, you get perfection. From a gust of wind to a glass of life-saving water, this is the future of human survival. In a world facing a water crisis, technology like this proves that the solutions are all around us, even in the invisible air. If you were amazed by this structural marvel, hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover the origins of the world's most incredible structures. This is Struct Origins. See you in the next one.